Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you what will happen when the winter frost season ends in Heartopia, so you know what stays and what disappears. The winter frost season will officially end on March 14 at 6 am several times, and after that, several seasonal features in the town Fashion Week event will change. And first, let's talk about the snow sculpting hobby. This hobby will stay in the game. After the season end, you can still buy this snow sculpting hobby upgrades ticket, and then snow sculptures like this and snow sculpting bands from Acer. As long as you already own the snowball machine and the snow sculpting bands, you can continue making snow sculptures anytime. And don't worry, any snow sculptures that you already made will stay and can still be used as decorations in your home. And then next, it's about the ice skating trim. This one. If you already built a skating ring in your home, you can still skate there and continue upgrading the trim level even after the season ends. Until you fulfill all the challenges on here, you can still complete the challenge after the season ends. And now about the seasonal collectibles like like this, like fish and then insect and birds. After the season ends, frostborn fish and then frostborn butterflies and then winter birds will no longer spawn on the town map, but any collectibles that you already caught will remain in your inventory. And for the seasonal flowers and white radish, this one, there are a few changes. You will no longer be able to plant or buy these seeds, and any plants that are already planted but not fully grown will stop growing. And if you still have unused seed or unfinished crops, you can sell them to Albert for gold. And then next, let's talk about the seasonal food recipe. This one, about this one. After the season ends, this food recipe will be locked, so you won't be able to cook them anymore even if you still have the ingredients. And for the winter frost seasonal stove or the penguin stove the penguin stove like this, it can still be craft, but they will only work as decoration furniture. So you can use it again. And any leftover seasonal ingredients can also be sold to Albert for gold. And however, the onsen egg stove at the onsen mountain will remain usable, so you can still cook the delicious onsen egg. And last, for the fashion wave tokens, this one, fashion wave tokens. If you still have unused tokens after the season ends, they will automatically be converted to gold at a 1-to-1 ratio. So make sure to use your seasonal items and collectibles wisely before the winter frost season ends. And okay, that's it for this week update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!